He's going in. Paul, hold the fence. Oh. Okay. You guys, there's a bee-infested gingerbread house, and Rob. Angry bees!
Are you okay?
Yeah. All right.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Is that it? Is it done?
It's flying all around your head right now, just so you know.
Are they all done?
Many bees died. Many bees died today.
How do you feel, Rob?
Over here.
Mission complete!
Did you get stung?
Not that I know of.
Are there a lot of bees? Can I go over there, or am I gonna get
they're
stung?
like writhing around.
Not many.
Ah! Mission not accomplished. Now there's a bunch of bees flying around.
Yeah, don't worry.
Mission accomplished.
Watch out.
Oh.
No, don't
Bye.
lay it down.
Ah!
Look at it.
There are like bees everywhere.
There's no.
Now they're continuing it. They're continuing it by spraying.
Warning would have been good.
I don't know what they're doing.